Welcome to Elite Motion, where we bring you the latest reviews and insights into the most interesting vehicles on the road. Today we take a close look at a small truck with a person sitting in the back, giving you an in-depth review of its specs, features and overall performance. Small trucks are known for their versatility and practicality, making them a popular choice for urban driving, light-duty hauling and off-road adventures. This model stands out with its compact design, allowing for easy maneuverability in tight spaces while still offering decent cargo capacity. The exterior design of this small truck is both stylish and functional, with sleek lines and a rugged appearance that appeals to those who need a balance between utility and aesthetics. The front grille is bold and modern, complemented by sharp headlights that provide excellent visibility during nighttime drives. The compact dimensions make parking effortless, a crucial feature for city dwellers who often deal with limited parking spaces. The build quality is solid, with reinforced materials ensuring durability over long-term use. The cargo bed is spacious enough for various loads and comes with tie-down points for securing goods safely. The tailgate is designed for easy access, making loading and unloading hassle-free. Moving to the interior, this small truck offers a well-designed cabin with comfortable seating and a user-friendly dashboard layout. The seating arrangement is ergonomic, providing ample support for long drives. The upholstery material is both durable and stylish, giving the cabin a premium feel. The dashboard features an intuitive infotainment system equipped with a touchscreen display, Bluetooth connectivity and smartphone integration, allowing for seamless access to navigation, music and calls. Climate control is efficient, ensuring a pleasant ride regardless of the weather conditions. Storage compartments are strategically placed to maximize convenience, offering space for essential items and personal belongings. Under the hood, this small truck is powered by a fuel-efficient engine that delivers a perfect balance of power and economy. The engine options vary depending on the model, with some versions offering a peppy turbocharged unit while others focus on hybrid or electric powertrains for eco-conscious drivers. The transmission is smooth whether it's a manual or automatic, ensuring a comfortable driving experience. The suspension system is finely tuned to absorb road imperfections, providing a smooth and stable ride. The handling is precise, allowing for confident control on highways, city streets and off-road trails. Fuel efficiency is impressive, making this truck an economical choice for daily commuting and long-distance travel. Safety is a key aspect of this small truck, featuring advanced safety systems to protect both driver and passengers. The model comes equipped with airbags, anti-lock brakes, traction control and stability control, ensuring maximum protection in various driving conditions. Driver assist features such as lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring and automatic emergency braking further enhance safety, reducing the risk of accidents. The truck is also built with a high-strength steel frame designed to absorb impact and protect occupants in the event of a collision. Parking sensors and a rear-view camera add convenience, making reversing and parking in tight spaces much easier. For those interested in customization, this small truck offers various trim levels and optional accessories to suit different needs. Whether you need additional off-road capabilities, luxury interior features or enhanced towing capacity, there are packages available to cater to specific requirements. The aftermarket support for this truck is strong, with numerous accessories available to enhance its functionality and aesthetics. Owners can opt for bed liners, roof racks, upgraded wheels and other modifications to personalize their truck according to their preferences. Performance-wise, this truck handles exceptionally well on different terrains, whether it's city roads, highways or rugged trails. The power delivery is smooth, with responsive acceleration that makes overtaking effortless. The braking system is reliable, providing strong stopping power even when carrying heavy loads. The steering is well weighted, offering a good balance between comfort and responsiveness. Off-road enthusiasts will appreciate its capability, with features such as four-wheel drive, skid plates and terrain management systems, making it a reliable companion for outdoor adventures. One of the standout aspects of this truck is its practicality, making it an ideal choice for various users. Whether you're a Trad S person needing a reliable work vehicle, an adventurer looking for a capable off-roader, or a city dweller who wants a compact yet functional truck, this model delivers on all fronts. The compact size makes it easy to drive and park, while the robust build ensures longevity. The fuel efficiency combined with low maintenance costs makes it a cost-effective option in the long run. The resale value of this truck is also commendable, as it holds its worth well over time thanks to its reliability and popularity in the market. This small truck isn't just about functionality, it also offers a fun driving experience. The responsive handling makes city driving enjoyable, while the comfortable ride quality ensures a pleasant journey even on longer trips. The sound insulation is effective, minimizing road and wind noise to create a quiet cabin environment. The entertainment features further enhance the driving experience, allowing passengers to enjoy music, podcasts, and navigation with ease. The person sitting in the back of this truck gets a unique perspective, enjoying the open-air experience while still being securely seated. Whether it's for a leisurely drive around town or a trip to the countryside, this truck provides a comfortable and enjoyable ride for everyone on board. When it comes to ownership costs, this truck remains budget-friendly. The affordable initial price combined with low fuel consumption makes it an attractive choice for those looking to save money without compromising on performance. Routine maintenance is straightforward, with readily available parts and a strong service network, ensuring that keeping this truck in top condition is hassle-free. Insurance costs are reasonable, making it accessible for a wide range of buyers. The truck's durability means it can withstand years of use without major issues, adding to its long-term value. Technology plays a significant role in this truck's appeal, with modern innovations enhancing both convenience and safety. The infotainment system is easy to use, featuring a responsive touchscreen, voice controls, and multiple connectivity options. The driver information display provides real-time data on fuel consumption, tire pressure, and other essential metrics. Smart key entry and push-button start add a touch of modernity, making daily use more convenient. Some models even offer wireless charging and advanced driver assist technologies to further improve the driving experience. Overall, this small truck is a well-rounded option for those seeking a practical, efficient, and enjoyable vehicle. It excels in urban environments while also being capable of handling off-road adventures. The combination of stylish design, comfortable interior, strong performance, and advanced safety features makes it a great choice for a wide range of drivers. Whether you need it for work, leisure, or a mix of both, this truck delivers on all fronts. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more in-depth coverage of the latest vehicles, make sure to subscribe to Elite Motion. We bring you the best automotive content with detailed reviews, expert insights, and everything you need to stay updated on the latest trends in the automotive world. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting content.